one of the most important thought process that our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has given is, we must make sure that our universities are ready for the technological change which is happening. If you recall, in the case of 5G, we established 100 5G labs in the universities and institutes across the country. Same is the case with semiconductor. We have provided the most important tools, the most complex and advanced EDA tools in 240 universities. And now we are collaborating with with a large number of leaders within the industry and people who have achieved great success like Mr. Vinod Dham to come and give back to the colleges that they have studied. Here in DTU, Mr. Dham has set up a semiconductor lab where students can actually learn the manufacturing, the fabrication and the design process combined, and that is a model that we want to follow throughout the country so that the people who have achieved something, they can really contribute back to those institutions that they were trained in and create opportunities for the next generation. I wanted to share a couple of updates. First, the evaluation of the AI LLM applications is in its final stage. Within next few weeks, we should be able to award the first few LLM model teams, which will start getting the funding under the AI mission. Second, as you know, after the first 14,000 GPUs that we got as a part of the AI mission, the empanelment process for the second tranche is on, and we are getting equally good response for the second tranche also, which means that our startup community, our AI researchers will get a very large GPU compute facility in the coming days. The third, a large number of industries have started creating AI applications, and many of them have been recognized by the AI mission, as you are aware. And now we see a huge adoption of AI technologies by the industry. My interaction with education, with healthcare, with industrial organizations shows that people are adapting AI in a very big way for multiple uses. So that's a very positive thing, and that means that we will be able to get the most productive advantage out of this AI revolution.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.